If you're seeing this amber warning light on your dashboard and a check third brake light message in the vehicle status menu, then this means that the third brake light, that is the horizontal one in the centre of your back window, won't be lighting up when you press the brake pedal. To replace it, you'll first need to gain access to it by removing the plastic trim from the inside of your boot lid. Open the boot lid and look under the handle. There's a single torx screw in there to remove, and if you need a set of torx driver bits, I've put a link in the video description. So remove that single screw, and then you'll need to pull quite hard around all the edges of the boot trim to remove it, being careful not to lose or bend any of the metal clips holding it in place. Once you've tugged them all off, the whole thing should come away easily, and you can quickly inspect all the clips to make sure they're all still in place and none have got bent. Removing that part will reveal 2 more torx screws, one each side, holding the upper piece of plastic trim in place. It's the same story removing this, which will then reveal the internals behind your third brake light, which is held in place by 3 13mm standard bolts. Remove all 3, being careful not to let them fall into the metal void as you take them off, and then you may need to tap the old light gently with a hammer to persuade it to budge. Once it's free, you'll see there are 2 things you need to disconnect, the wiring clip and the back windscreen washer hose. The hose can be a bit fiddly to remove without snapping the plastic clip, so just take your time and go gently to avoid breaking it. Then take the replacement light, and there's a link in the video description to help you find a replacement for your car, and slide it into where the old one went, connect it up, and then test it by pressing your foot on the brake and get someone to confirm it's working. Also check the screen wash jet is still working and is angled in the right direction before you proceed to put everything back together by following all the steps again but in reverse order, and you're done.